Our solution for correcting women breast asymmetries by means of 3D scanning and 3D printing. 80% of women have some kind of breast asymmetry. Breast asymmetry can arise for many reasons. Just in Italy, 24 million women have a natural breast asymmetry. Breast asymmetry can arise for breastfeeding, or can also arise after cancer due to surgery. Those are some scans from our clients. We have an example of quadrantectomy. Then we have on the top natural asymmetry, and on the bottom we have a case of unilateral mastectomy, where one of the breasts have to be removed due to cancer. Our mission and also our challenge is to create a bra that we name the ONEBra, that is able to perfectly restore the symmetry. Our solution is completely custom. We start from a breast scan and build a bra that is personalized and doesn't fit other people, just fit you. The skeleton that is derived by the 3D scan. Once we have the skeleton, we cover it and we fill it to adjust the weight. Once we have done that, we add this solution to a bra that is at this point personalized. And this product is a medical device. It has no risk for the health. It's not invasive and is fully compliant with the EU regulations. This is the complete journey of the customer. You can scan from the comfort of your home, upload the scan to our servers. We compute the ONEBra and print it. The result is just delivered to your home. The customer just need to go to our website, scan their breasts, both at home or for the ones that are not comfortable with technology, through our assisted scanning centers. Then we will compute your ONEBra that is then delivered at home in more or less 13 days. The whole process is GDPR compliant from the very beginning. We take the most care about the privacy of our clients. We are on the market since 1 year, sold more than 100 ONEBras. 96% of our customers say they are very satisfied with the product. In collaboration with many partners, especially women association, that we have to thank a lot, because they helped us shape the ONEBra so that it actually fits the women needs. We are active only in Italy, but we are looking to expand in the EU market.